Welcome back. This is Tom, and today's video is packed with updates, starting with ARK Invest and their Palantir stock dump. Just recently, Cathie Wood's ARK Invest sold off a whopping 2 million shares of Palantir in a single day. Is this the end of their support, or just a routine adjustment? We'll look at the facts behind this sale, including the broader context. While the 2 million may sound dramatic, remember, ARK still holds about 32 million Palantir shares. Even with this sell-off, it remains a top holding in their portfolio, signaling continued belief in Palantir's long-term growth. So, the idea that ARK is bailing out is more hype than reality, just a matter of balancing their holdings. Next up, let's talk about Nancy Pelosi. She recently pushed back on a proposal to restrict politicians from trading in the stock market. The issue? Politicians often have insider information that gives them a unique edge, a privilege that most regular investors don't get. Pelosi's opposition here raises questions about whether this kind of trading is fair, and honestly, it feels like an open invitation to conflicts of interest. If our leaders have access to exclusive insights, shouldn't that information be public, or at least shouldn't they be barred from using it for personal gain? The discussion's heating up, and this issue is unlikely to disappear. Moving on to Elizabeth Warren's latest Twitter battle. Warren tweeted, arguing that America's wealthiest should pay more taxes and stop freeloading. But her choice of target, Elon Musk, may have backfired. Musk is not only a tech innovator but one of the most heavily taxed individuals in U.S. history. He's paying billions in taxes due to stock sales. And in his response, Musk pointed out that he's on track to pay over $13 billion in taxes this year. Musk's reply struck a nerve, and it highlighted a bigger question: are attacks on billionaires like Musk just for show? Musk's response reminded us that his contributions go beyond wealth. Through SpaceX and Tesla, he's changing space exploration, transportation, and even medical advancements, with projects like the Neuralink initiative, which could revolutionize healthcare. Now, let's turn to Jerome Powell's recent press conference, which left the market surprisingly upbeat. Powell announced continued rate hikes and increased tapering, moves that typically would cool off the market. But rather than tanking, stocks rallied. This reaction reflects the market's relief that Powell is sticking to moderate measures rather than drastic hikes. Think of it like a parent who calms a tantrum with candy. Powell's dodge, deny, deflect approach managed to keep the market steady, but is it a sound long-term strategy? While this calm might feel like a win, unchecked inflation could lead to deeper economic challenges. In sum, it's been a whirlwind of news, from Palantir's reshuffling at ARK to political controversies and economic signals. So, what do you think? Should politicians be banned from trading stocks? And what's your take on the Musk-Warren feud? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth breakdowns on the latest financial news.